What if I told you that the secret to better sleep in your 70s isn't in a pill, isn't in a fancy mattress, and has nothing to do with your age? Sleep, that mysterious state where our body restores, repairs, and recharges, starts slipping away from us as we get older. And if you're over 70, chances are you've felt this firsthand. You lie in bed, exhausted, but your brain won't shut off. You wake up at 2 a.m. and stare at the ceiling. You nap during the day because you just can't make it through. Sound familiar? Well, you're not alone, and more importantly, you're not helpless. In this video, we're diving into why most people over 70 struggle with sleep, and exactly what you can do, starting tonight, to get the deep, restful sleep your body craves. Let's get into it. Part 1. The Aging Sleep Connection. Why does sleep get harder after 70? Visual. Timeline of a human life, showing gradual sleep changes. Sleep changes with age. That's a fact. But why? There are 5 key reasons older adults struggle with sleep. 1. Changes in circadian rhythm. As we age, our internal clock, known as the circadian rhythm, shifts. It becomes harder for the body to stay in sync with natural day-night cycles. You may feel tired earlier in the evening and wake up earlier in the morning, a pattern known as advanced sleep phase syndrome. 2. Less melatonin production. Melatonin is the hormone that tells your body it's time to sleep. After age 60, melatonin production naturally declines. This makes it harder to fall asleep and stay asleep. 3. More health issues. Chronic pain, arthritis, diabetes, high blood pressure, prostate issues, and menopause-related changes. All of these can cause nighttime awakenings or poor sleep quality. 4. Medication side effects. Many people over 70 take medications, and some of the most common ones, like beta blockers, antidepressants, or even allergy meds, can interfere with sleep. 5. Reduced deep sleep. Sleep isn't just about hours, it's about stages. Older adults tend to get less deep, slow-wave sleep. That's the restorative kind that makes you feel refreshed in the morning. But here's the catch. Sleep problems aren't just part of getting older. They're a sign your body is asking for help. And the good news? There's a lot you can do to give it that help. Part 2. The hidden dangers of poor sleep in your 70s. Visual. Graph showing impact of poor sleep on health outcomes. Let's be real for a moment. Not getting enough sleep isn't just annoying. It's dangerous, especially as we age. Poor sleep is linked to memory problems and increased risk of dementia, falls and balance issues, weakened immune function, depression and anxiety, heart disease and high blood pressure. If you're waking up tired, forgetting simple things, or feeling down, your sleep could be the root cause. But what if we told you that with just a few simple changes, your sleep could dramatically improve? Keep watching. Part 3. The science-backed sleep fixes for people over 70. Visual, bullet points and illustrations for each tip. Now let's talk solutions. Here are 10 proven, practical ways to improve your sleep, starting tonight. 1. Stick to a schedule, even on weekends. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day. Yes, even on Sundays. Your body loves routine, especially your aging circadian rhythm. 2. Get natural light early in the day. Spend at least 30 minutes outside in the morning light. This helps reset your body clock and boosts daytime energy, making it easier to fall asleep later. 3. Limit naps, or time them right. If you must nap, keep it under 30 minutes, and avoid napping after 3 p.m. Too much daytime sleep messes with your nighttime sleep. 4. Create a sleep-friendly bedroom. Cool, dark, and quiet. That's the golden trio. Use blackout curtains, white noise machines, or earplugs if needed. Keep electronics out of the bedroom. 5. Avoid caffeine and alcohol after 2 p.m. Even if you think caffeine doesn't affect you, it likely is. And alcohol may help you fall asleep, but it ruins sleep quality and causes early wake-ups. 6. Try gentle evening exercise. A short evening walk or light stretching can relax your body and mind. But avoid intense workouts right before bed. They can be too stimulating. 7. Rethink your medications. Talk to your doctor or pharmacist. Some medications might be interfering with your sleep. Never stop meds on your own, but always ask questions. 8. Use melatonin, but wisely. If approved by your doctor, a low-dose melatonin supplement, 0.3 to 1 milligram, taken 1 to 2 hours before bed can help. Don't overdo it. More is not better. 9. Practice a wind-down routine. Your body needs time to transition to sleep. Try reading, listening to calm music, or practicing deep breathing exercises before bed. Avoid screens. 10. Train your brain with CBTI. Cognitive behavioral therapy for insomnia is one of the most effective, drug-free treatments for chronic sleep issues. Part 4. What about sleep aids? Pros and cons. Visual, a split screen, pills on one side, lifestyle changes on the other. Now you might be wondering, should I just take a sleeping pill? Here's the truth. Over-the-counter sleep aids, like antihistamines, can cause grogginess, confusion, and increase the risk of falls. Prescription sedatives, like benzodiazepines, or Z-drugs, like Ambien, may work short-term but carry serious risks for people over 70, including dependency, memory problems, and increased fall risk. They treat the symptom, not the cause. That's why most sleep experts recommend behavioral and lifestyle changes first. Part 5. The power of mindset. Don't fear the wake-up. Visual. Person waking up at 2 a.m., getting anxious, then trying mindfulness. Here's something no one tells you. It's okay to wake up in the middle of the night. It happens, especially as we age. What matters is how you respond. The worst thing you can do? Stare at the ceiling and stress about it. Instead, try this. Accept the wake-up. Get out of bed after 20 minutes if you're still awake. Read a book, do some light journaling, or listen to relaxing music. Go back to bed when sleepy. You're training your brain that the bed is for sleep, not stress. Part 6. Real stories, sleep transformations after 70. Visual, testimonials or reenactments of older adults sharing success stories. Marjorie, 73. I used to think waking up at 3 a.m. was just part of aging. Turns out, it was my 5 p.m. coffee. Once I cut it out and started walking every morning, I sleep like a rock. Frank, 76. I was popping sleeping pills every night until I tried cognitive behavioral therapy. It changed everything. I'm off meds and I feel sharper during the day. These stories are powerful because they show something crucial. Change is possible. You don't have to accept poor sleep as your new normal. Outro, call to action. Visual, peaceful sleep imagery, sunrise. So if you're over 70 and struggling with sleep, remember this. It's not just aging. Your body still wants and needs deep, restful sleep. And with the right strategies, you can get it. Start with just one tip from today's video, then build from there. And if this video helped you, do me a favor. Hit that like button, subscribe for more health wisdom, and share this with someone who could use a better night's sleep. Sweet dreams, and I'll see you in the next one.